everyone, and welcome to our instructional video on drop. So drop is a ballistic output that's found in AB Quantum, and drop represents the true drop of the bullet uncorrected for your zero range and a number of other factors. So here what you can see is I've got my range set to 100 yards. That is my zero range, and I have an elevation of 0 inches. I've set my scope property to inches so that the firing solution and the drop are working in the same units. You can set this to metric if you want in the settings. You can really tinker with it however you want. But in this case, it says our drop is 3.77 inches. Now, if I change my zero range of my rifle, you'll notice that that doesn't change. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna change my zero range to 200 yards. Save. And you can see it still says 3.77 inches a drop, but our firing solution is now 1.84 inches. And that's because this is ballistic data and this is your firing solution. Drop is not your firing solution. I'll close this down so you can see we're still at 100 yards. I'm gonna go to the target card real quick so you can see something here. You'll find here's our firing solution and here's drop in the target card, and you'll notice these numbers are different from these numbers again because drop is not your firing solution. And you'll also find that data on the range card. Now I'm going to do something here with the range card. I'm going to bring that drop column actually right next to the elevation for this demonstration. Hit done, and you can see that we have a difference here. So our firing solution is different from our actual ballistic data here, which is what drop is. If I go to 1,000 yards, you can see for the firing solution, I want to hold 524 inches to impact that solution, but the bullet's true drop is 580.44. Now that does update. If I go through here and I update some of our atmospheric information, there are things that will change this information. But you can see there's still two different numbers. And that's essentially the difference here. One is your firing solution. This is what you want to use to hit the target. And this is raw ballistic data. So this is the true drop that the bullet experiences once it leaves the barrel. So hopefully this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to these videos. It really helps to disseminate this information out to other users. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.